what's up YouTube? So I'm back with day 3 of the daily vlog. So right now I'm not starting it at home, I'm actually starting it in the car because this morning I was just kind of like getting up, I had just had so much stuff going on, so I was like, I'm just not gonna start it at home, I'm just gonna start it in the car. So yeah, heading to Lemonade right now. I'm not sure exactly what location we're going to, but I guess we're just gonna go out for lunch and go from there. I was thinking about what video I actually wanted to do today, so later on tonight I'm probably gonna record some kind of like clothing haul, or tomorrow I'll do the what's the thing called? Tomorrow I'll probably do the hygiene video so that it can lead into like my morning routine or my night routine. So yeah, y'all, we gotta figure that out. We gotta get the video sales going so that I know what I'm gonna post daily, because I'm really just having so much trouble figuring out what I want to post every single day. Like, I know I like vlogging, but other than that, like other things outside of that. So yeah, I'm pretty sure the haul is gonna come soon, and then after the haul it's gonna be, or before, it just depends on how I'm feeling. I don't know which one's gonna come first, but I'm definitely gonna do a haul and a morning routine, night routine, shower routine, like hygiene routine basically. And then I'm gonna take y'all shopping with me, like a baddie on a budget video, because I feel like I got a lot of tips I can share to y'all for the people who don't want to spend like a crazy amount of money but still want to be like bad out here. But yeah, enough of my talking. Let's get right into today's vlog. We got a few things to do. I don't know if it's anything too extreme, but a few things to do. Okay, y'all, so out to eat right now. Trying Sharky's wood fire Mexican grill today. So excited about that because I thought I was going to get lemonade, but I guess not. We're trying something new. So it smells really good though, and I'm pretty sure it's going to be kind of like Chipotle, but I think I want like a quesadilla. So this is what it looked like. Yeah, at this point I'm just waiting on Dom. He's grabbing something out the car. But yeah, I'm extremely hungry. Like, I did not eat no food today. I just had a smoothie. But I guess it's good though, because I'm trying to be on like a calorie deficit. So
Sharky's, man. Check them out. It's my first time.
Outside in a damn sheet, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the girls that ain't cool side. All the niggas round, everybody. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right now. I'm outside in a AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Shorty off a Insta, she can wanna do this a pressure. Get it up and give it nothing passion, I was trying to make it to the end, certain things I started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sudden finish, I could be maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart break.
Put it on here, put it on.
okay, y'all, so that is all for today's video. I just wanted to give y'all a quick vlog before the weekend gets here. So tomorrow I'm going to do my hygiene shopping and like show y'all that. And then on Saturday I'm going to record a morning routine. So hey y'all, so I am heading to John and Vinny's. It is the next day now. I just have on like a little basic some shorts, a shirt, and my hair in a bun. But yeah, so it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Heading there now, and I think I'm just gonna do like a weekend vlog for this one. So I'm gonna put yesterday with today. But yeah, y'all, I have to go now. So I'm gonna check in with y'all when I get to John and Vinny's. Okay, y'all, so walking to John and Vinny's now. Is it on this side or is it on the other side of the street? Okay. Yeah, the sun is smacking. But yeah, this is my first time going to John and Vinny's, and I'm super excited about that because they food be looking good. So yeah, let's see what's around. Finding parking is so annoying though, because it's another like lot right here, but yet you can't park at it unless you're eating at a certain restaurant, which is stupid. If I'm gonna pay you regardless, why do I like, that doesn't make sense. But yeah, y'all, and then I brought my jacket just in case, because I don't know if it's gonna be cold or not at John and Vinny's, but shit, it might be. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna show y'all what I get when I get in there, but let me show you what they look like, because of like COVID, they changed the way that they look. So we left John and Vinny's, and the experience there was 10 out of 10 amazing. Literally like my favorite place in LA now, because their servers were so nice and just everything was amazing. Like they check on you every 2 seconds. The food was good. Like they pizza reminded me so much of St. Louis style pizza, which is very hard to find anywhere outside of St. Louis. So that was like a shocker, but it was so yeah. Now we're walking Fairfax. I don't know exactly where we're gonna go, but we're just gonna enjoy ourselves this evening and walk around. I got on my jacket now because it is a little like chilly now. It's not like crazy chilly, but it is a little more breezy than it was when we first got here. So yeah. walking to the car now. So we just walked the whole Fairfax and just wanted to see what everyone had. A whole bunch of lines. It is Friday, so you know it's like touristy time still, and yeah, a whole bunch of stores had lines, but we've been in every store, so we're not gonna wait in a line. We just wanted to see a few of them, so we walked into the ones that didn't have lines, and then yeah, leaving now. I don't know exactly where we're gonna go next. So far I've enjoyed being out here though. Lately I've been way more comfortable being out than like how I used to be, just because I'm finding more balance. So yeah. Hey y'all, so it is now Saturday. I am getting ready to go out with a friend, so yeah. I need to go get the car wash first. I'm going to pick her up, but I need to go get the car wash. I was supposed to meet up with her already, but I'm just running like a little behind at this point. Like I still have to get the car wash, and then I have to head her way, which she's like 30 minutes away from me, and then we are going to the beach from that. So yeah, I have on a swimsuit right now, and then you already know swimsuit bottoms, and I washed my hair this morning. So yeah, I've been really productive all morning, but now it's just getting to like crunch time. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready to go. I'm going to show y'all like everything we do today. I'm gonna go grab food, all the other stuff, but yeah, we gotta get going. So I'll show y'all when we're at the car wash. Okay, y'all, so I'm at the beach right now with Antonia, and we are literally just playing in the water at the moment. Oh, shit! That's cold. Yeah, so we're playing in the water and just walking around. We've been here for like an hour already, and then our food just got done, me and Dom, so we've been doing that. But I'm actually so happy. Shit. Yeah, I'm actually so happy. I'm enjoying myself today. It is coming. Okay. But yeah, so we're enjoying ourselves, just hanging out, and yeah. It's so pretty. It's so clear. Like I'm gonna get some B-roll for y'all so y'all can see.
Don't tell him, you ain't even gotta tell him, don't tell him, don't tell him, don't tell him, you ain't even gotta tell him, don't tell him, don't tell him. Know you say it down with it, don't tell him how you hit the ground with it. Girl, you know I'm from Chicago, I act a fool, Bobby Brown with it. In it, nobody take me out though, you got gifts, bring them down to South.
Oh my God. You're sorry.
You know you feel like for a press. Don't you worry about it, I can work it out. Only it's you got me feeling like this. Oh, why? Love it, but grabbing the rhythm, your hips. That's right. Rhythm is a dancer. I need a companion. Girl, I guess that must be you.
So I am back home right now. I literally had an amazing day, and then after that I went grocery shopping, which I just kind of showed you a little snippet of. But yeah, I'm gonna edit this 3-day vlog, so I really hope you enjoy it. This week I'm definitely gonna have some sit down videos of some sort out. I have so many different ideas that I want to do when it comes to sit downs, so over the next few weeks you'll see them all like come to life. And then I also want to do a try on haul, but being that I have new clothes coming this month, I think I'm going to wait till those get here and then try on a whole bunch of different stuff in the haul. So yeah, y'all, I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, make sure to give this a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Like the summer, touch it like no other.